Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to do for the drag and drop action. Okay? How we can able to do for drag and drop. This is the example, and this is the one wizard, and we can drag in this place, and it will give for drop down. Okay, and this is a source place, and this is the target place. Whenever we drag it, and we can get for color change also, and also information also will be changed. Okay, these are the two things we can able to verify. Okay, this is a simple application. I'm going to choose it. Okay, after that we can able to validate this dropped information or not. Okay, both the cases we can able to verify. We'll see one by one how to achieve in our Playwright. Okay, and this Java code we can able to it. Now we need to launch here. For this, I'm going to create a test, and I'm going to use for drag and drop, and then async I'm going to create, and here in pager and function creation. Okay, and I'm going to use for await a page dot go to, and here I'm going to specify my value. Okay, then I'm going to use it here. And if you inspect this one, and this is my um, this is my ID of source location. I'll save this source location. Will store into here. Okay, constant and source. We can specify here await a page dot locator, and then we have for ID, right, and underscore in this one we are storing. Okay, and constant a target. I'll take for which a page dot locator. Okay, and here I will find for the locator of this particular one. Okay, and here you can see drop location. This is the drop location ID, and we can able to make it this one. Okay, and now we have stored the both the cases. Can we able to do it directly, or can we do for different approach? We can able to use for there is one keyboard actions, and another one is direct action. Okay, both the cases I'll show you. Keyboard actions, how we can able to do, and how we can able to do for direct action. Okay, now here direct action is nothing but you can specify for source dot a drag to where we can able to drag, and I can mention for task. Okay, this is the way we can able to use for direct functionality. Okay, page dot await, and then I'm going to specify 5%. Okay, and then if you want to verify for this drop location whether we can able to drop or not, this is basically a paragraph, and this is the ID. We have already ID is present here, right? Then I can able to use it here. Await, await, expect. Okay, and here I can able to use for the target. Okay, to have text, to have text or value. Text I will take it first, whether it is work or not. What type of text we need to verify into out. Okay, this I'm going to save it. Okay, now this is a direct action. We'll see whether it will work out or not. Drag and drop spec.txt. Okay. Now I'm going to run this particular spec, and we are going to see for whether we can verification. See, we are able to drop it. Correct. Now our assertion also got passed. Okay, because we are able to drop it. Okay, this is basically using for direct action, which is like a very easiest way. Okay. And now I'm going to take for another way of going like keyboard actions. How we can able to do the keyboard action. Now I'm going to take for wait, where we are going to take source. First source dot h over. We are already done the over, right? Because we are going to moving for that particular place in the page like overing. Okay. Then again I'm going to use for wait a page dot mouse. Okay. Dot down. Down is basically it will hold that element there. Okay. It will hold it. Now we are source one. We are holding it. Okay. Then await target dot h over and then await page dot a mouse dot up. Okay, now we are making for up, like we are holding and releasing. This is the action we are going to. Both the cases is basically holding purpose only. Okay, holding up, holding down, and holding up. Okay. Now if you run the same one, it will give the same result. See, again it is dropped it. Okay, this is the simplest way we can able to drop the element into one location or another location. Only thing is this is the single line. Sorry, this is like a four lines. That's it. Okay. I hope it this information helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.